With all the severe weather we've had over the past year, there is a chance that your home has had storm damage. Most homeowners are unaware that they have storm damage to their roof because they don't see any leaks or damage. But storm damage is hardly visible to an untrained eye, and leaks may take time to develop. Your homeowner's insurance company is obligated to pay for roof storm damage repair or replacement on your home. Most insurance companies require that you file your claim within 1 year of the damage, so you shouldn't wait to get your roof inspected by a professional roofing company when severe weather has affected your home. Don't fall for those out-of-town companies that go door knocking, chasing storms from state to state. Instead, have a trusted local roofing company give you a reliable inspection and quote. Don't haggle with insurance companies. Let Beneficial Roofing deal with that process on your behalf. For more information, visit beneficialroofing.com.